Hello there. Now I'm going to teach you how to find your lost AirPods. First things first, I want you to take a deep breath, okay? Why am I saying this? Because you might be in panic right now and you can't think straight. So I suggest take a deep breath and try to trace back your steps. Where did you last in your AirPods? Where did you last use it? Something like that. Ask your friends and relatives, your girlfriend or boyfriend, or something like that again. So I know how frustrating it is. AirPods cost like around $250, something like that. Anyway, I want you to trace back your stats first and relax, okay? Anyway, if you're sure that it's a loss already, like you're really sure you contact everyone that you know, something like that. Anyway, this is what you want to do. From your home screen, you're gonna find this app. It's called Find My. Once you open it, it's gonna ask if they're allowed to use your notifications and locations. Let's just click on OK here. And also, once you're here, you'll be directed on this platform. It's actually already self-explanatory. On this part, you're gonna see your AirPods, and as you can see, I do not have my AirPods as of now with me right now. It's not connected with my iPhone, so it's not really can be seen here. In some cases, the same process. For example, this iPhone right here. Let's just say this is your AirPods, okay? Once you click on it, you'll have these few options right here. You have play sound, you have direction, notifications, mark as lost, activate and erase this device. First things first, I don't want you clicking erase this device as early as possible. Do not do that, okay? What I want you to do is click on directions. And if it's within Bluetooth range or if it's within a few meters away from you, just click on directions. It will give you a highlighted trail that you need to follow to where your AirPods is. For example, let's say this is me as of now, and currently my phone is within me, so it's not really lost. But let's just say your phone is around here. For example, this is me and your phone is around here, or your AirPods around here. It will show you an icon of your AirPods right here. Just follow it. It will give you the trail of direction that you need to follow. Now, once you're within I'm gonna say around less than 10 meters away from your AirPods or 5 meters away from your AirPods, click on play sound, this one. If you click on this one, you're gonna hear a beeping sound where your AirPod is exactly located, so you can track it by sound and look for it, okay? So technically, this is all the app that you need to find your lost AirPods. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.